This lesson will demonstrate how to create a SQL query in SQL Server Management Studio using best practices for formatting, performing key ID joins, and defining parameters. SQL Server Management Studio is an integrated environment where the queries are written for SQL Server database programming. On the left-hand side under the Object Explorer, you will see a sample server called SQL Express. Click on the plus sign to the left side of Databases to expand the list of databases. The sample database is District. Click on the plus signs to the left of District and Tables to see the list of the district tables. The sample district schema is DBO. You will notice 7 tables listed. The naming convention for tables and fields uses underscores to separate words that are typically uppercase in SQL Server and lowercase in Oracle. SQL is not case sensitive, so both cases will work in both SQL Server and Oracle with the underscores separating words. It is easy to convert between the environments as SQL Server T-SQL syntax is very similar to Oracle P-SQL syntax. There are minor tweaks. For example, the SQL Server concatenate function plus symbol that combines strings is the pipe symbol in Oracle. The SQL Server substring function is abbreviated to substr in Oracle. There is no right or left function in Oracle. To extract the rightmost characters, a negative number is used in Oracle. Click the plus signs to the left of each table name and columns to expand the list of table fields. SR Enroll. This is the main student table containing basic enrollment information for the student. It contains data field items such as campus, grade level, student ID, student last name, student first name, student date of entry, student date of withdrawal, mailing address, etc. SR Demo. This table contains student demographic data field items such as date of birth, gender, ethnicity, physical address, etc. CR Demo. This table contains campus demographic data field items such as campus name, campus address, grade levels, etc. SR Grade Report Course District. This table contains district course information such as course title, special consideration code, course type, and credit level. SR Grade Report Section. This table contains campus course information such as course number, course section number, course period, and course teacher number. SR Grade Report Teach. This table contains fields such as campus ID, teacher number, teacher last name, and teacher first name. SR Grade Report Course Grade. This table contains student course information such as student course number, student course section, student course grade earned, and student course credit earned. Now we will see how to create a new query. To select data from the tables, click on the New Query button. The key to writing queries that are easy to read and debug is to use line spacing between each segment and indent subsequent lines within each segment. Also, using commas at the beginning of each line makes for readable, easy-to-track code. For example, to create a query that selects the student ID, first and last name from the enrollment table for every student whose last name is MAR, notice how easy it is to see each piece of the query when each is on its own line. There are many SQL functions that allow you to manipulate the data in a table. The concatenate function lets you combine character strings with the plus sign. The substring right and left functions extract characters from a string starting at a position you designate with a specified amount of characters. To format a date of birth stored year, month, day, use this statement to extract the month, day, and year and combine them with forward slashes for a date format of month, day, year. To run the query, click on the Execute button. The results will display in the output window at the bottom of the screen. Table information is joined together on key IDs that are the same in both tables. This inner join pulls all data from both tables where both student IDs match. To create a query that pulls the date of birth, gender, and ethnicity for all of the students named MAR, you need to join the enrollment table to the demographic table on those student IDs. A left outer join pulls all data from the table on the left and only data from table on the right where the key IDs match. This join will pull all information from the SR enrollment table and only information from the campus demo table where the campus IDs match. You can even use variables or parameters to dynamically select the criteria you would like to pull. For example, to select information at a variable campus for a variable first name and last name MAR, you would create a query using the @ symbol for your variables or parameters. As opposed to underscores, the naming convention for variables is Pascal case, where the first letter of the word is capitalized to separate words, or camel case, where the first word, or P for parameter, is lowercase. This helps to distinguish variables from the other database elements and makes for more readable code. The entire query would look something like this. You would set the variables at the top, and then use the variables in your where statement at the bottom. A temporary named result set is created by using with. This allows you to build and connect pieces of code together. The Code Snippets tool allows easy storage of these common table expressions that are more flexible and provide more efficient processing than views. Notice how easy it is to combine a temporary result set of students having more than 2 absences with a temporary result set of students making less than an A in Pre-AP Algebra 1. The second common table expression leaves off the with and is separated with a comma. An entire chain of data pieces can easily be built.